Yes. Okay. First, let's start. So, good morning to all. How are you all? Yes.
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes. Good children. So, how was your Sunday? Everyone enjoyed?
Yes.
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 So, yes. So, we are going to start today our new chapter, money. Okay. What is the topic?
Money.
Money. So, do you know what is this money? For what we are using money?
For buy things.
Yes.
Money.
If you for buying things, if you want anything, you will tell to your parents, isn't it? And they will
Go and shop.
they will go to the shop.
Money.
So
Ma'am, only but the children don't have money.
the children don't have money, so the parents are having it, isn't it? Yes. So will the shopkeeper will the shopkeeper give the things without giving money? No, we have to give money, then only we will get the things, isn't it? Yes. So you know the importance of money in our life? Huh? Yes. So simply you're asking your parents, I need this one, I need that, I need chocolate, I need ice cream, like that? Huh? No, no, you all are good children, isn't it? So you have to understand the value of money in our life. There are so many people without money. They are living without money and suffering a lot in their life. Okay, so we all have to understand the value of money in our life and we have to spend it very carefully. Okay, yes? Yes, Ritik?
With money.
You all are having that habit of collecting money.
Yes,
Piggy bank collection is there?
Money.
Yes?
This year I want a cycle.
For that only you're collecting money, Ishan.
Yes, ma'am.
So for only for the... Yes.
My puppies want food.
Yes, yes. So we can spend this money, pocket money, for helping others, isn't it? We can use this money for helping the poor people. Like you, so many children are there in our world, isn't it? They don't have money to buy the pen, pencil, the eraser or bag, whatever they want. They don't have money to buy. So we can help our poor people, poor children. Okay.
Yes.
So do you know in India what are the money we are using? In India we are using rupees and paise. Okay, we are using rupees and paise. And have you all seen that notes and coins we are using? Yes, Alna is showing some. What is that? So many money is there, Alna?
Yes,
From where you got it?
Again, Father give.
Father gave. So keep it safely.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Keep it safely. Don't play with the money. Just now I told you money is very important. Huh?
Yes.
Yes. So keep it safely. And there you can see many notes and coins. So now I'll show you a video. All of you listen carefully. In that video you can... yes. From this video you can understand the coins and notes we are using in India. Okay. So are you all ready? Yes. So please mute your device, everyone. I'm going to share the screen. Let me share the board and I will explain. From this video, we understood some points. That is, we use a dot for separating rupees and paise, isn't it? A dot. So before dot, we will write rupees. And no. Don't write now. All of you, please listen.
This, ma'am.
Yes.
This.
Don't write now. All of you listen properly. Okay. I'll give you the time to write.
This means this.
Okay. So before this dot, we will write the rupees, and after the dot, we will write paise. Okay. And what is the symbol of rupees? The symbol of rupees is this one. Okay, this is the symbol of rupees, and paise we will denote this P. P for paise, and this is the symbol for rupees. Okay, children. So how can we write the money we will use a dot to separate rupees and paise. Okay, we will use a dot for separating rupees and paise. So for writing the money, first we will write a rupee symbol and we will write the amount 25 rupees. And no need to write, my dear, listen carefully.
Okay, ma'am.
And this is how to read this amount. It is 25 rupees. How to read it? 25 rupees. And if there is paise, we will write a point and we will write 50. That means 50 paise. Okay? 25 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. And yes, listen. There is only one paise coin we are using nowadays. That is 50 paise coin. Okay. That is the only paise coin we are using. 50 paise coin. Earlier we used 25 paise also, but nowadays it is not in use. Okay. So which is the only paise coin we are using now? 50 paise. All the other coins are rupee coins. Okay. The paise coin we are using is 50 paise. And the other coins, which are the other coins? Please mute your device, everyone. Okay, the other coins are, the first one is 1 rupee. After 50 paise coin, the next one is 1 rupee coin. Then after that, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. Then 10 rupee coin. From the video you all understood, isn't it? The coins we are using. And what about the notes? The notes also you all have seen in this video, that is 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note. After that, 10 rupee, then 20 rupee, then 50 rupees, then 100 rupee, 200 rupee, 500 rupees, 2000 rupees. Okay? Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, my head is black.
Yes, yes, yes. Maybe so you are facing some network issue, my dear. That's why. Okay. So now you all know what is this money, for what we are using money, how to spend the money. All these things have you all understood?
Yes.
Yes. So shall we write some notes today?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? So please
Yes.
open your notebook, everyone. Please open your Max notebook.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can write new page.
Yes, all of you take a new page. This is our new chapter. So please take a new page and write today's date.
Ma'am, Abhinav notebook is finished.
Abhinav's notebooks pages are over. So take a new notebook, my dear.
New
Please. Yes, take a new notebook and start writing in that.
Ma'am, new notebook is finished.
Notebook finish. Hmm?
Yes. Yes.
So you can write in the rough book and tell your father or mother to buy a new notebook, and after that you can copy there.
Okay, ma'am.
And write the chapter heading. Chapter 7, money. What is the spelling of money? M-O-N-E-Y. Money. Yes. Chapter 7, money. And India, we are using rupees and paise, isn't it? The money we are using in India is rupees and paise. So we have to write that first. So from after this, write from the next line. Money is written in rupees.
Coming.
Oh, it will come. Wait a minute. Money is written in rupees and paise. WRITTEN. Money is written in rupees and paise, separated by a dot. Separated by a dot. Lakshana, are you writing? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, continue. And all of you write in neat handwriting, everyone. Please write neatly. Prithvi, start writing. Prithvi, take your book. Open the book and I will check it today. How many of you are completed or not? Money is written in rupees and paise, separated by a dot.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
can you read one more time?
Yes, money is written in rupees and paise, separated by a dot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. And after this, we all have to study how to read the money. If the money is given in figures, you all have to study how to write the money in words.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in shops, you have to read the price.
Yes, when we are going for purchasing items,
Ma'am,
the shopkeeper will tell how much money you have to pay.
yes.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Abel.
it is ROS. Ma'am, you are writing a story.
Not story, my dear.
It is ROS.
Which one? RUPEES. Rupees.
No, ma'am.
Hmm.
The and pays there.
And paise, the second line.
Yeah.
And paise separated. SE. It is S. SEPARATED. Separated by a dot.
Okay, ma'am.
And the next question. I will give the money in figures and you have to write it in words. Okay. So the next question.
Can you tell one more time?
Yes, I will show you an example. Write it. Write in words.
Right?
Right.
Ma'am, you can write the sentence right in word.
Yes, that also you can write. Write in words. The next line you have to write.
One line missing.
Yes.
Ma'am, write no come. Know how to read.
It will come, my dear. You have to wait for some time. Maybe facing network issue, that's why.
Okay.
First question is question number A. First, I'm going to write the symbol of rupees. Rupees 650. How can we read this one, my dears? How can we read this money? How can we read this?
850.
Can you see the point here?
6.
This is 6. Before the point, it is rupees. So it is 6 rupees, and after the point, it is paise. So 6 rupees 50 paise. How can we read it? 6 rupees 50 paise. Okay. So the same way you can write
50 paise.
6 rupees. So please notice this point here. There is a point in between the numbers. So before the point, we use the point, the dot for separating the rupees and paise. Huh? So here we can read it as 6 rupees 50 paise. So how can we write it? 6 rupees, 6 rupees and 50 paise. 50 paise. ₹6 50 paise. Please write everyone.
Ma'am, second question.
Wait. Question number B. See the next question. How can we read it?
15 rupee and 90 paise.
Yes, 15 rupees and 90 paise. Yes. So all of you write 15. 15 rupees and 90 paise.
Okay.
15 rupees and 90 paise.
Ma'am,
Yes.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who is that? What happened? Hadia, are you writing? Yes.
Yes.
Ah. Yes, Prithvi. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
how will write that money,
How to write the money?
the money's
Which
logo?
one? Huh?
Money's logo.
How to write?
Hindi row. Of the Hindi row, you can just write it.
Here, listen. How to write the symbol of rupees? Wait a minute. How to write the symbol of rupees? First, you have to write like this. Yes, Hamdan? And
Yes, ma'am.
2 lines here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, write this.
No. Just I show how to write the symbol of rupees.
It is just the Hindi row and 2 lines.
Then the next question. Question number C. Rupees. The symbol of rupees. 55.07. How to read this one? Hamdan, please read it. How to read? How to read this money?
Ma'am.
Rupees
Others, please mute your device. I am asking to Hamdan.
Ma'am, can you wait 1 minute? In my tablet, it didn't came.
Okay. Jeffron, please read it.
55 dot 70.
Not 70, it is 07.
Yes.
So how can we
Yes,
read
ma'am,
this
0.
money? First,
Money.
55 rupees. Before the dot it is rupees, isn't it? So 55 rupees and 7 paise. Okay? 55 rupees and 7 paise. Please, Jeffron. Jeffron. Please read it.
55 rupees
Hmm?
and
Hmm?
7 paisa.
Yes, very good. 55. So please write the answer. 55 rupees and 7
board is okay.
7 paise.
Ma'am, board is not come.
Wait. Board will come. Yes. Maybe the network issue. That's why. So let me call the attendance in between. Ananya, is Nair present or not, Ananya? Ananya? Then Avish Boban is there. Avish Boban. If you are there, please tell me. Please tell the attendance. Avish Boban. Navamiga. Navamiga. Elvin Mario. Elvin. Elvin present. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
Then Nilha. Nilha Naurin.
ma'am, you mark it finished.
Nilha present. Nilha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Olivia. Olivia.
Ma'am, I'll never finish.
Yes. Sai Krishna. Sai Krishna. Is Sai Krishna present? Then what about Sia PS? Sia PS. So today's absentees are Ananya S. Nair, Avish Boban, Navamiga.
Ma'am,
Avish Boban present. Okay. Avish Boban present.
Ma'am, class time is up.
No. So there is one more question,
No.
everyone. Please write.
11:10.
One more question is there.
And we will do it as homework.
That is very simple, no?
Yes.
So write question number D.
Question number D.
Yes. How to read this one? How to read?
75.
175 rupees and yes. Elroy, please read it. How to read this money, Elroy?
Yes, ma'am. 175 rupees and 35 paisa.
Yes, very good. Read.
175 rupee and 35 paisa.
Yes, 175 rupees and 35 paise. Why some videos are off? Devash, Krishang, Sarah, Aman. Please turn on the camera.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Yes. Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
And ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, now finish.
Yes. Wait.
Ma'am, no finish.
Okay. Those who finished, please show me a notebook. Rukma. Completed. Show. Please show the notebook to me.
Mommy, 1 year old. Ma'am, complete we can show.
Ah, yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. Very good.
Ma'am, I didn't complete.
Okay. 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 So listen, children. Okay. Very good. And those who didn't complete, I'll send the notes in the group. So at that time, you please complete it. Okay. So now today it's the time to wind up our session. Okay, my dears. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye.